Rocky Mountains, Niagara Falls, and Anne of Green Gables. All these conjure up images of Canada's beauty and reinforce the country's draw as a premier tourist destination. Yet Canada has much more to offer. Its vast store of natural resources, along with its solid economy and sound trade and fiscal balances, make it an ideal destination for global investment as well. Canada is the second largest country in the world, approximately 27 times bigger than Japan. It is known for its immense natural beauty and plentiful natural resources. These resources typically account for more than 10% of Canada's GDP and 40% of its exports. Key Canadian exports are oil and gas. The promise for Canada's oil industry lies in the oil sands of Alberta, potentially one of the greatest energy resources on Earth. The oil sands cover more than a third of the area of Japan. In fact, including the oil sands, Canada has the second biggest oil reserve in the world. Oil sands are deposits of bitumen, thick black oil that must be thoroughly treated before it's converted into a crude oil. While conventional crude oil flows are pumped from the ground, oil sands must be mined or recovered while in the ground. The recovery process includes extraction and separation systems to remove the bitumen from sand and water. Canada is one of the few developed nations that are a net exporter of energy, and with global conventional oil reserves declining, Canada's oil sands will play a large part in satisfying the world's energy demand. The immense size of Canada's oil sands and the country's stable political environment bode well for its production capabilities going forward. Due to the abundance of reserves, many of the world's most prominent energy and mining companies are drawn to Canada. TSX Group, which includes the Toronto Stock Exchange and the TSX Venture Exchange, is a global leader for listing energy and mining companies. Not only is Canada rich in natural resources, it is rich in human resources. Talented people from around the world make Canada their home. Immigrants are an important contributor to the growth of Canada's labor market and overall economy. Furthermore, Canada's economy is enviable. It has been recognized as one of the best fiscally managed countries in the developed world. Balanced budgets or budget surpluses are expected in the foreseeable future. This fiscal strength, along with a strong balance of payments position and a structured, independent monetary policy, contributes to a stable Canadian dollar. Canada is undoubtedly an attractive tourist destination, but more importantly, it is a compelling investment destination. The most effective way to participate in this market is to access the expertise of on-the-ground investment managers who thoroughly understand its opportunities. AGF Management Limited, one of Canada's premier investment management companies, offers this and more. Blake Goldring, Chairman and CEO of AGF Management Limited, explains what AGF continuously strives for.
AGF strives to be a recognized leader in investment management. AGF has a mission to provide superior investment management and a broad range of quality products, services, and financial solutions to meet the needs of our clients.
Back in 1957, company co-founders Alan Manford and C. Warren Goldring had a vision to pool the funds of Canadian investors to allow them greater access to the U.S. market through the New York Stock Exchange. They named the first U.S. equity fund for Canadians the American Growth Fund. Using the initials from the name of the fund as our namesake, AGF grew quickly and became known for its innovative funds and top-notch investment performance. Today, serving more than 1 million investors, we offer a rich spectrum of products across asset class and investment style, and all portfolios are actively managed. AGF's products and services include a family of nearly 50 mutual funds, managed asset programs, separately managed accounts, investment loans, and mortgages. Randy Ambrosi, President of AGF Funds Incorporated, which encompasses investment management, is dedicated to uphold ongoing excellence in our lineup of funds.
Predictable excellence in investment management is our main priority, and we have a solid history of delivering on this. Our overall performance is strong compared to our peers, and we have several award-winning funds.
Our strong team of portfolio managers strive to continue to uphold this excellence. The team follows a rigorous investing philosophy so we can achieve consistently strong performance. Executive Vice President and Chief Investment Officer of AGF Funds Incorporated, Martin Hubis, leads the investment management team.
AGF's investment professionals are committed to fully understanding the businesses they invest in, and only to buy when securities are favorably priced. We blend the science of fundamental analysis with the art of informed judgment using superior technology in financial analysis, trading, and risk management.
Martin and his team's investment philosophy is predicated on 5 principles: rigorous fundamental analysis, a global perspective, a focus on longer-term trends, innovative thinking, and risk controls. These 5 principles help AGF fulfill its objectives and allow the team to continue to improve.
At AGF, we're raising the bar on ourselves in research, in sharing of insights and ideas, in meeting the needs of investors, and in delivering long-term investment performance.
One of AGF's greatest strengths, according to Martin, is that we have an expertise in multiple investment styles: growth, value, fixed income, and specialty investing, all under one roof. Multiple styles give investors choice. Investors can combine styles to stabilize long-term portfolio returns without having to worry about which style is in favor in any given market. Furthermore, value and growth managers test each other's assumptions, often about the same company, with debt managers joining the debate from a different perspective. In addition to bridging asset classes, the information exchange spans the globe, including portfolio managers located in Toronto, Dublin, and Singapore. All of these drivers for the investment management team culminate in one overriding objective.
We aim to be the investment manager of choice for clients, driven by reliability of process and long-term performance across styles and products. AGF has investment professionals around the world with research teams and managers on the ground in Canada, Europe, and Asia.
Through rising or volatile markets, AGF's proven investing philosophy and solid performance has earned the trust of and helped build wealth for investors around the world.
Regardless of current market sentiments, we select individual investments that can earn stable and positive returns for clients over the long term.
We strive to uphold our history of innovation by continually developing new products to meet the changing needs of our clients. We also strive to uphold our history of expertise in global investment strategies. By exporting our success internationally, we have become one of the most global Canadian fund companies.
We recognized Japan's importance early on and offered a Canadian growth equity fund in 1975 to Japanese investors. In 2000, we became the first Canadian mutual fund company to open a branch office in Tokyo.
We felt that having dedicated staff on the ground was the best way to ensure the highest quality products and services for our Japanese clients.
AGF's commitment was recognized a year later by the Canadian Chamber of Commerce in Tokyo at the Canada-Japan Business Awards. In conclusion, Canada's draw is stronger than simply its natural beauty. It has some of the most abundant natural resources in the world, and it is a magnet for world-leading resources companies. With a strong economy and a skilled and growing labor force as a backdrop, Canada is a compelling country in which to invest. AGF is an excellent choice to help you navigate the complexities of the Canadian markets. We have a rich history, a rigorous investing process, and a thorough understanding of the needs of Japanese investors.
We continue to build on our momentum of success and to strengthen our position in an increasingly competitive market. AGF is successfully implementing new strategies in Canada and abroad to lay the foundation for our future. Japan is certainly a welcome and an essential part of that future.